Hilti Connect, hassle-free tool service at your fingertips. Terrence is a job site manager and, as such, is always multitasking. It's rarely more than 3 minutes until the next situation needs to be taken care of. If a tool needs repair, he must react quickly and find out how old it is, how much money he spent on it, or when service expires. The Customer Care Center can provide this information as long as he has the tool's serial number. But sometimes the number isn't visible anymore. With Hilti Connect, that's no longer a problem. All new Hilti tools come with a tag that enables near-field communication, short NFC. It's located under the rating plate. A symbol indicates that your tool is Hilti Connect enabled. Terrence simply uses his NFC-capable phone to scan the tool, and it's immediately identified in the Hilti Connect app. The app also provides all service and repair information at a glance, and Terrence can directly initiate maintenance service. In addition to the NFC tag, some tools also have Bluetooth. This means their usage can be traced with Hilti Connect. Moreover, the app provides all internal information for fleet management service, always up to date. Information about all the tools is stored in the Hilti Cloud and can be accessed by any Hilti store in the world. So no matter where Terrence's current job site may be, a reference person will always be close. Okay, but what about his old Hilti tools that don't have the NFC tag? No problem. They can be retrofitted with a tag in our repair center and will then be featured in Hilti Connect 2, thanks to the information that's already in the cloud. Even if someone's smartphone doesn't support the scanning technology, they can still identify their tool manually. As long as they know what kind of tool it is, they will easily find it in their tool list in the app. Terrence is delighted. This kind of service is exactly what he needs to handle repairs and maintenance as quickly as possible. Download your Hilti Connect app now for free or see our website for more information.